To keep your pool filter pump operating efficiently, it's important to follow a regular program of preventative maintenance. Removing debris and foreign matter from the strainer basket will help maximize water circulation. A clogged drain may raise the back pressure of your system, causing your pool filter pump to work harder than it needs to. Backwashing or cleaning the filter is also very important. Just remember to backwash appropriately. If you backwash too often, you'll only be wasting water. If you do not backwash often enough, you'll waste energy by requiring the pump to work harder. Check with a pool service professional for an appropriate backwashing schedule. Saving energy is easy. By using this pool pump energy saving tip provided by your local electric cooperative, your pool will be a source of enjoyment and relaxation for your family this summer, and not a drain on your monthly budget. Visit TogetherWeSave.com to learn more ways you can save energy around the home, courtesy of your local Touchstone Energy Cooperatives.